Here is one of my start outs from 259th Street. I just came out of the Skyview exit that's nearest to Riverdale Avenue. And I'm just showing you what this is like after the snowstorm. This is Wednesday. I think the snowstorm was on Sunday. Monday was the blizzard. My memory is getting a little screwy, but this is what it looks like. They did a very good job plowing the street, but the parking spaces here is just edged. I'm not sure who is responsible for cleaning the parts of the street that don't have cars on them, but are parking spaces, and we need them. There's a school, there's a lot of apartments, as you can see. There's Skyview, where I live, that I have a car, but I don't pay for parking, which I probably will do, though it's not really that necessary. I only need the car for see my father, and then for luxury. There's very good public transportation here to get into Manhattan. If I wanted to go further upstate, we do have Metro North that will take you to that line along the Hudson. And if I wanted to, I could rent a car. We have a Zipcar here. So having a car is nice, but it takes a lot of work, and I'm not sure it's worth the expense. But like I said, I'm not sure who's responsible for these areas. This is where my car was a few weeks ago, where we had the other storm. So, like I said, I don't know who is. Hello.
What are you?
I'm alright. Sheba wouldn't come out with me.
What a mess.
Was hiding under the bed every time I came with her harness.
Oh, she does.
She would hide under the bed, and then she almost went, and then she saw me going. She ran towards me, but then as soon as she saw the harness,
She went back.
I said, I don't have 2 hours to do this.